I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, verified contact, and clear proof of address. Open Google Business Profile and click Create a Business. Choose whether you operate in person or online. Enter your official business name, select the best category, then add location details and service areas if needed. Once done, add main phone and website so customers can reach you. This first step gets your listing into Google's workflow and makes verification possible. Now you dig into details that drive visibility. Fill out business hours, special hours, and concise services. Upload crisp photos of storefront, staff, and products. Include a 720 degrees or interior shot if you can. Use product and service sections to add descriptions and prices so Google understands offerings. Request verification promptly. Postcards take time. Instant verification may appear for some accounts. Make sure to follow the verification method you're offered so your profile becomes public and searchable. Finish by polishing attributes like accessibility, payment methods, and amenities. Write a short, benefits-focused description to help searchers. Publish posts and offers to stay fresh, then monitor insights to see queries and clicks. Make sure you reply to reviews promptly. Engagement improves ranking. If verification or edits are rejected, double-check that your address exactly matches your proof, confirm no duplicate listings exist, and try a different verification method or contact Google support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.